For defining dealer, you need to go to Dealer Master. Master Data, Dealer Master. Click on New to defining Dealer Master. There are no restrictions for defining dealer. Fill up the required master information as name, address, taluka, city, district, PIN, state, telephone number, mobile number, fax, email ID and TAN number. Address for correspondence and contract person. Enter the AMVAT TIN number, CST TIN number, enter the signatory information, date, place, name, designation, mobile number, email ID, business. We will move towards the information related to business. Fill up the required information as shown in the screen. Fill up the fields which are hidden inside the blue wordings. Select the appropriate details from the list. After filling up the details, hide the windows. These details will be taken to in the various statutory registration. Tick the main nature work contractor, enter the certificate number, date of commencement of business, language of books of accounts, whether the records are computerized, enter the address of additional place of business or godown or the warehouse, enter the address, taluka, district, PIN, state, telephone number, business name, enter the RC number, click on save. Bank details. This bank information will be used for the payment, tax liability, and this information will also be used for various statutory forms where the bank details are to be shown. Enter the bank name, branch name, account number, type, MICR number, bank code, etc. Click on save button before moving to another screen. Registration. Fill up and select the required details. Other. Fill up the details of the person having interest in the business. Enter the person position, name, age, residential address, share, etc. Cancellation. In the case of your business is discontinued, then you need to fill up these details. Select and put the appropriate details. data entry, work contractor. Now we will move towards the generation of the MVAT return in the form 233. You need to select the type of the dealer, financial year, return type, period, and the nature of a return. Gross receipts including sales, taxes, value of branch or consignment transfer, and job work charges. You can enter the details of a tax-free sales. Excess credit or tax payable. Now we will see the data entry of purchases and other details. You can give details tax payable of the turnover of purchases and tax paid for the set of purpose. You can enter the details of the purchase which are not eligible for set off. You need to give the bifurcation of such purchases 12.5 or 4%, etc. This screen is all about to set off and its adjustment accordingly the provision of MVAT Act. Enter the challenge number, check date, amount drawn on, etc. Alternatively, you can make e-payment of the amount due by clicking to option e-payment as shown in the screen. Click on save. E-filing, you need to give database path of the file which you want to save file. Then click on save. Then click on OK. Please wait while generating e-file. Click on yes. Ensure all mandatory fields highlighted in red color and properly filled. Click on options. Enable this contain. Now your Excel file is ready for further processing. Ensure complete filing e-return. Validate it by pressing on validate button. Ensure that there are no errors in the return. After correcting return, your file will validate and ready for e-filing. Click on login to go to MVAT site. You can export this form by clicking on export button. Thank you.